Hello, little friends. Want to learn how to be best in all your subjects? Want to do magic with numbers and increase your speed? Never forget and lose marks in exams? Want to learn lots of memory techniques to remember for longer? And spend as little time as possible for studying? Yes, you can become that number one in your class. Here's that holistic way to learn with Poornapragya in just 2 weeks with our completely online Train Your Brain workshops. 3rd to 6th graders, we have Mathemagic Merriment and Memory Techniques 1. For 6 to 10 graders, we have Mathability Express and Memory Techniques 2. Come fall in love with learning and make your study time fun. Boost your brain by just studying from home and go back to school as a magician with loads of tricks on hand.